Free software never look awesome. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we discuss about the application is known as Blender. By using the Blender, we create the awesome videos, VFX, modeling, story artists and many more. So first, see how to download this application on Windows. Open this link. Don't worry, I provide this link in description box. So open it and you can see here the top side the download button. Click on it. The freedom to create. Download Blender 3.3.1 latest. So click on it. And you can see here the Blender application are starting to download. It takes some time according to your net speed, so just wait.
A few moments later.
And you can see here Blender application are successfully downloaded. So you simply open it. Welcome to the Blender setup. So you simply click on next button. This is the license agreement. So check the box, I accept the terms and condition, then click next. Set as default, click next. Now click on install. And you can see here Blender are starting to install. And you can see here the Blender application are successfully installed. You simply click on finish button. And this is the interface of Blender. This is the quick setup, and this all the basic settings, which is language, shortcuts, select with, spacebar, theme. So you adjust all the setting as your own. So now time I set all the default and click next. And here we choose new file, general, 2D animation, VFX, video editing, all these things. And here I select the file which is VFX, so click on it. You can see here this is the interface of your VFX editing. So in this way you also download the Blender application. I hope so this video is helpful for you. So please leave a like and make sure to subscribe my channel for more amazing upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe, keep learning. Thanks for watching.